PartnerLinQ is a user-configurable Access Anywhere digital solution that streamlines business communication, whether X12, XML, or API. PartnerLinQ seamlessly integrates a wide variety of B2B and B2C transactions, achieving operational excellence and real-time visibility in your supply chain. PartnerLinQ has a built-in monitor view beginning with the home screen. This simple yet effective home screen dashboard allows the user to view inbound and outbound transactions just by logging in. Transaction and error analytics are also included with PartnerLinQ, ensuring that trending errors can be quickly identified and remediated using the business rules engine. PartnerLinQ's digital configuration, business process orchestration, canonical data structures, and common processing workflow mean that PartnerLinQ integrates once into the enterprise and delivers a refined experience in a tool that data professionals want. It's PartnerLinQ.